Hi, this is Roho the Cat, and today we're going to learn how to build 3 types of T flip-flop. A T flip-flop, or toggle flip-flop, turns a pulse into a constant output. For example, it can essentially turn a button into a lever. This is the standard T flip-flop. The output is this redstone dust here. It is currently in the off state. By pressing this button, it creates a constant signal. It can be switched off by pressing the button again. To build this, place a block with a button on top going into redstone dust. Then place a sticky piston facing upwards with a block on top. This will go into a repeater set to 1 tick, with a sticky piston coming out of its face, with a block in front of it. To the block in front of that, place a redstone torch with redstone dust on this block here. It is in the on state there, and by pressing it again, it goes into the off state. This first sticky piston could be replaced by a regular piston if the block on top is a gravity block such as sand, gravel or concrete powder. It's in the on state, and now it's in the off state. That is the standard T flip-flop. This is the dropper hopper T flip-flop. There are 3 droppers and a hopper facing into each other in a loop. The bottom left dropper has an item in it. When you press the button, the item cycles through the loop, creating a constant output. When you press the button again, it switches off. To build this, place a dropper facing upwards, with a dropper on top facing outwards, and a dropper to one side facing back towards the original dropper. Place a hopper on top, creating the loop. Place a button on the face of the bottom left dropper and place an item inside. Place a comparator coming out along with a repeater. When you press the button, the item cycles through the loop, creating an output, and when you press it again, it switches off. That is the dropper hopper T flip-flop. This is the repeater lock T flip-flop. As with the others, it creates a constant output. The output is currently off, and if we press the button, we get a constant output, and if we press it again, it switches off. To build this, place a block with a button on the side, and a torch coming out to one side. Place a repeater set to the default 1 tick, with a repeater going perpendicular set to 4 ticks, and a third repeater going the other way set to 4 ticks. Place a building block here with a redstone torch off to one side, and then 2 pieces of redstone dust. It is currently in the on position, but if we press the button, it will switch off. That is the repeater lock T flip-flop. And that concludes this Roho the Cat tutorial on how to build 3 types of T flip-flop. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!